That's a kitchen window. And that's a kitchen clean out. Looks like it's leaking, huh? I think it may be under pressure. Oh man, ooh, whoa. That's a good one. Wow. That is nasty. I'm gonna go inside and turn the sink on. Ooh.
All over again. I'm good.
No. Maybe it's backed up. Just in the sink there.
They all work the same. They all work the same. So when you call the watch does go off. When you can't say that, oh, I didn't see the call.
Dang it, dude. I should have checked it before I got the machine out. I don't know why. And freaking check it, dude.
I know you're gonna do your fine, but don't play with me. If you tell me you're gonna show up, you're gonna show up. If you ain't, you ain't. And I'm always crazy about that. See, I got no make me hurt you. I'm not hurt. See, if you play with my feelings, and I feel like you're perfectly playing with my feelings, I'm very spiteful. I'm very spiteful.
What the heck is this? Why would they do that? There's enough room to drop that trap down. What the heck?
I'm supposed to make arrangements. Look, you done took my. Who said, come here? I get 1 day a month for free. Who's that here?
Tasty. Tasty.
No, this is how you get it out. You know, you're gonna be 5 tomorrow.
Packed. Packed full. Full of gunk, dude. Golly, how
Are
is
you
it?
ready to lay down or you gonna sit down? What are you gonna do? Do you want to lay down or you gonna sit down?
Jeez.
Okay, lay down. Let's go. All right, baby.
All right.
Girl, look,
I can't imagine what's in this.
I'm just gonna tell you, give me 2 bacon and bake 2 sandwiches.
Jeez.
That's my bill. Just give me 2 sandwiches.
All right.
Tomorrow, yeah. Yeah. Girl, honey, that was so good. Only thing that you made, they didn't up the cheese.
Whoops.
Yeah. Yeah, they made her the avocado.
So you turn the disposal on. You gotta turn it on with this. Okay. Draining now. Alright, it's actually draining fine. If it wasn't draining, it would be coming out of here pretty bad. I might snake it just because I have all my stuff out. I don't know. Alright, I'm just gonna snake it for good measure. Snake it for good measure. Ugly gloves on. Wow, it's shaking that around pretty violently. Yikes. I just realized that this is all rotted out. That's why it's leaking. That ain't good. Might be able to fix that. Got a no hub band there and here. So let me see. Because this is, yeah, it's cracked, see? It's completely cracked. Completely cracked. Let me fix this real quick. Take this band off completely. Completely take it off. Just replace it entirely. I'm gonna need two hands, hang on. Yeah, it's completely cracked. Okay, let me grab my blade. I'm gonna see if the Reed Tools hub fitting saver, whatever it's called, can maybe save this combi. I'm gonna take off that band real quick. The tenant just said, now I understand why this little tree is growing right here. Or not tree, but plant, whatever. This is cast iron, that pipe. So, okay. You can tell it's been leaking for a while. Let's try to use the hub fitting saver. Got the 2-incher. see if we can save this precious piece of plastic that costs $8. Yep. That works. It works. Nice. All right. I just need a little stick of ABS. Okay, so we just need a tiny little sliver here. Looks like they were using the band to this to that to hold it up. So we need like that much right there. There you go. Put it on. Put it on. There you go. There you go. There you go. Stick there. Good. Get it underneath. Get it off. Good. Like this. All right. Now, just tighten that guy in there. And that's it. Now, let's go test it. What do you say? That ain't gonna leak. Okay, let's go test it. There you go. No more leaks. No more leakies. Good enough for this neighborhood. All right,